Ito yung mga daisy ni Mother. Ayan. Naririnig ko na si Jelana. Nasa libro yung araw. Oo nga. Sinabi mo. Tingnan natin si Jelana, naririnig ko yung boses niya. Ay, may sunflowers. Hindi na maano yung sunflowers. Sana Ayan, sunflower siya. Ayan. Asan kaya? Naririnig ko siya. Thank you, Chay. Anong ulam? Ano sila? Anong ulam, Chay? What happened? How's the game? How's the ride, Jade? How's the ride? What happened to you? Come on now. Huh? Oh, really? By yourself? Oh, wow. Oh, hotdog lang, ma'am. Sabaw ko, kape, gatas. Ano yun? Jilana, you have to come back. Don't go far, okay? Hey, don't go to the driveway. Don't turn around. Okay. No, don't do that. Yeah. Okay, good. You can put the snowplow. Where are you going? Wow, Jelana, you wanna play now? Come on. Show daddy, let's go play on the swing. There's already yellow. Already ate it. Did you eat it? Did you eat it? No. You she was saving it or what? I already ate some. There's some yellow I already ate. You have to use snooze, you lose. Ooh, it's cold. Did it get sunny today or no? Oh, really? Oh, no, even grandma said it's cold. Wow, Jelana, that's so quick. Oh, oh. Yeah. How's Jade? Screaming? You too? Did you see Moose and Nat? You said you see Moose. Oh, she's there. Okay, let's go see. I'll be back. How was it? How was it? Yeah, just pick your own battle, and this is not the battle you want. So Honda Rancher. What trail? Over there on the trail? Okay, yeah. Oh, wow. You got a winch? Oh, wow. So maybe this is a snowplow too. Julene, you can help daddy snow plowing. Jilana, come on, Jilana. Okay, let's go play. Why you got a here?